Hi, Scott doing at MarineMax here in Louisville, Texas. We're going to take a look at a brand new Sea Ray SLX 280. All right, so 280 SLX. First thing everybody notices when they come on the boat, big boat, lots of seating, lots of room. Now, 9-foot beam certainly makes the boat feel a little bigger also, and added 6 inches of width makes a big difference. But submersible swim platform, power tower. I like this tower in that when you lower the tower down, this stays parallel the whole way as it comes down and rests on top of the windshield. So if you're keeping the boat in a lift, when you lift this up, put the tower down, you don't have to mess with taking the canvas off or anything, which is really nice. Twin screens, big block motor. Does have a vacuum flush head, and one of my favorite things on this boat is the amount of storage that you get up underneath this front seat. It's open all the way underneath the helm, so that's where your bow tables get stored, your cockpit table, as well as your bow filler cushion to fill this in. So this one's fully optioned and looks great with this peanut butter colored interior. So if you got any questions about this or any other boats you see online, pick up the phone and give us a call. We'd love to talk to you.